Hey Britney, congratulations on your new online boutique. That's amazing.
Thank you, Rachel. It's been an exciting journey.
Starting a business is a big step. How did you manage to fund it?
Well, I started investing in multi-cap funds a few years ago.
Multi-cap fund. I've heard of it, but I'm not too familiar.
Multi-cap funds are mutual funds that invest a minimum of 25% each in large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. This creates a diversified portfolio that adapts to market conditions, offering both growth potential and flexibility. By spreading investments across different market segments, you balance risk while tapping into opportunities.
That sounds like a smart way to invest. Maybe I should start planning for my dream business too.
Absolutely. Just do your research before investing.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.